Hi guys.
Hi guys,
This is my Mima.
this is Arella.
And it's time for Q&A. Question and
Q&A.
answer.
Yeah. For today's video, syempre, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Pero actually, tapos na kami sa mga schoolwork. So, eto kami. What did you do on your last vacation?
For last vacation.
Ano yung last vacation ba na ginawa natin? Sige, I'll give you time to think.
Nung nag-back to school tayo, last week ko yun.
Vacation? Oo.
Ano, what's my last vacation?
Oo. Ano ba yung hindi mo matandaan, ano?
Wait. Nag-mall tayo.
No, it's not a vacation.
I know, yan. Nag-gala tayo sa
Oh,
mall.
isipin mo yung mga out of town, for example.
Out
Sige,
of-
yan, binigyan ka ng hint, ha?
Out of town.
Yes.
What about you?
It's in,
Huwag mo sabihin yung place.
it's with a river.
Moa? Moa kasi parang ano yun.
River mo, dagat yun eh, ocean yun eh.
Di ba naman po?
It's with Tita Abe, Lola Abe.
Bahay niya? Ayun, wala nga. And read last thing.
Sige, I'll give you time to think.
So, out of town.
Out of town, yes. It's with Tatay.
Naraitan.
Yes. It's last May yata and we went to the Raitan River. So tell me about that experience.
This is good. I wanna go back there kasi it's raining.
You wanted to go back. So why? Kaya tell us.
I see a baby fish. It swim around me.
Swimming in the river.
Yeah, it swim around me.
Around you?
Yeah.
Talaga ba? Ano
And
ba?
then when I stand up, it go up.
Okay. Maliliit lang yun eh.
Yeah, and
Maliliit
then
lang.
I collect rocks.
What?
I collect rocks.
You collected?
Oh, sorry. You collected the rock.
Okay. O nga, ang dami naming uwing rocks nun. Pwede siya kasing panglagay sa aquarium. Magaganda kaya yung
And then
rocks.
we also went to the like river thing in the heart. And then I was like, please, Superman. And when I jumped in.
Actually, first time niya yon. First time namin mag-river together. Okay. So, aside from you collected rocks, tapos nung nag-swim daw siya, meron daw maliliit na fish.
Yeah.
Meron nga maliliit nga. Tapos, what else?
We went to Abono and then we eat
Hindi, ano yung
main part.
ano yung nagustuhan mo pa sa Daraitan aside from that?
I like when we saw the frog.
Oo, may mga frogs na maliliit.
And then we saw a big one. I saw another one, a baby. I almost stepped on it.
Naku, don't step on them. Oo nga, may mga anliliit na frogs. So, syempre, river yun and the river is inside the mountains. So, marami talagang mga ganong creature. Do you want to go back there?
I wanna go back there to like tomorrow. But I joined the quiz bee so I cannot, go somewhere.
Oo, hindi mo na nakakatakot biyahe ng ganon.
Yeah, maybe summer pwede na.
Oo, pag maulan, nakakatakot baka matsyempo tayo sa landslide.
Maybe summer okay na.
Oo, ganun talaga, summertime talaga. Ayoko pumunta ng rainy season.
Hindi, that's not our last day. Di ba that's went to with Lola Sherwin.
Saan?
Potable.
Saan po? Well, I'm asking vacation eh. Yun talaga masasabi mo, nagbakasyon sleep over ka, gano'n.
I have a question.
Kayo din po, try nyo yung Daraitan River, maganda naman. Okay lang, okay
Mima,
lang
I have a
naman. Make
question
sure.
for you.
Okay, next time na. Okay, yun yung last vacation, summer vacation na ginawa
I
namin
wish
ni
I to
Rela.
prepare so early.
Okay, thank you for watching our video. Till next. Bye. God bless.